Join me as I catch up with my homegirl and colleague Shabri, and I walk her through how to embellish her flip-flops. I have some shoe embellishments of my own to work on as well. All right, so I have these shoes that I actually thrifted, right? I didn't buy them. I don't think I would have bought them for myself just because they're faux leather, faux suede, but it was something that required nude sandals, and I found these in my size, which is hard to find. I'm a 10 and a half, and so I bought them. And this was like 5 years ago. And so they are busted now, but the only reason I haven't gotten rid of them is because they're actually extremely comfortable. Like, they're very padded, and a block heel. First of all, it's a very high heel, which I love, and it's a block heel. So because of that, it's like super comfy, and it gives me the height. So I'm like, you know what? They've just been sitting in the back of my closet for the last 5 years. I think I wore them for the one thing I needed the nude sandals for, and never wore them again, maybe once more. All right, so because I haven't gotten rid of them, I said, you know what, how about we make them cute again? And so my idea is to first fix this with a very easy fix, just with some E6000, just glue this lining back to the toe strap. And then the heel is all scratched up. And so I wanted to do these to give it like this pastel candy theme for both the heel and the strap. But then I came across these embellishments that look like candy and donuts and things of that sort. I think somewhere in the center of the shoe, I'm going to choose one of these embellishments. And so it's going to be really simple. I am using E6000 to adhere the candies and the treats to the shoes. E6000 is amazing. And my good friend is joining me. She has a pair of shoes she's going to be embellishing. And so it's just a great way for us to catch up, because we haven't seen each other in like a year. So a little craft girly catch up is what we're doing. So I've decided I'm going to do a candy in the middle. So I'm just going to set that in place right now, and then just work around it. You're welcome. Oops. So yeah, honey, this school year gonna be interesting.
This gonna be so interesting. Painting means getting things in.
Gotcha. Okay. Are you painting like the whole bottom level?
I am doing the whole house. I'm doing the living room. I'm doing my bathroom. I'm just doing everything. I'm just freshening it up. I'm gonna do everything white for right now.
Gotcha. And
Clean everything up, freshen everything. Then I'm gonna go back and
With
do
some color.
wallpaper, splashes of color. Yeah.
Gotcha. So I just want to thank my good friend Shabri for joining me in our craft and chat. We took time to embellish some cute sandals with yarn and denim, and then I did this candy coated inspired sandal, and we got all caught up.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
I thank Tarina for having me, and she always opens me up to so many different creative things. So when you see her advertising any workshops, it would be to your benefit to just join, because you will enjoy it, you will love it, and you will get some good creative works from it.
Oh, thanks, sis. Love you, love you.
Love you too.
Oh, all right.